Good morning, students. So let's continue our chapter, that is admission of partnership. In yesterday's class, we had seen the treatment of goodwill. There were three cases in which goodwill is brought in by cash, it is not brought in by cash, and when it is paid privately to the partners. So let us continue with the problem. Take down illustration 18. A and B are partners in the firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. तो क्या दिया है? Old ratio is given, that is 3:2. Their capitals are 1,80,000 and 1,40,000 respectively. They admit X in the partnership on conditions that he will bring X goodwill दिया है 67,500 as goodwill and X capital is given to us. How much is X capital? 1,50,000 and will get 1/4 share of profit. तो share of profit कितना है? 1/4. Correct? Assuming that capital and goodwill have been brought in cash by the new partner, pass the necessary journal entry and find out the new profit sharing ratio. There are two cases when goodwill is retained in the firm and second case is when goodwill is withdrawn by the old partners. So take down case number 1. तो ये कौन सा केस है? It is case number 2 because they mention that goodwill is brought in cash. So what is A? When the amount of goodwill is not withdrawn by the partners. What will be the journal entries? Draw the format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first entry is of capital and bringing goodwill. So bank account debited to X capital account to X goodwill account. So how much is the capital? 1,50,000. Amount of goodwill is 67,500 and total will be 2,17,500. Write down the narration. The amount of capital and goodwill brought in by the new partner. तो ये new partner लेके आया and what is the second thing? He brought it as premium of goodwill in cash. So what is the journal entry for that? Case number 2. Premium for goodwill account debited to sacrificing partners capital account. So who are the sacrificing partners? A's capital account to B's capital account. Do we know the sacrificing ratio? No, we do not know the sacrificing ratios. So how can we find out the sacrifice ratio? So the old ratio is 3:2. They have not given us the new ratio. When new ratio is not given in the question, it is always assumed that sacrifice ratio will be the old ratio. So what is the premium for goodwill? 67,500. So A's capital will be 67,500 into 6/5. That is 40,500. 67,500 into 2/5. It is 27,000. Write down the narration. The amount of goodwill credited to the old partner's capital in sacrifice ratio. Under this, write down a note. As the new profit sharing ratio is not given in the question, comma, it is assumed that the old profit sharing ratio will be the sacrificing ratio. Then what is B? When the amount of goodwill is withdrawn by the partners. तो पहला केस था कि गुडविल तो लेके आया न्यू पार्टनर पर विड्रॉ नहीं किए ओल्ड पार्टनर्स, बट इन दिस केस दे हैव गिवन गुडविल लेके भी आया एंड इट इज विड्रॉन. So again write journal. Please draw the format. What will be the first journal entry? First journal entry remains the same. Bank account debited to X capital account to premium for goodwill account. 2,17,500, 1,50,000, 67,500. Write the narration. The amount of capital and goodwill brought in cash by new partner. कैश में ले आए. नेक्स्ट वी नीड टू गिव इट टू दी sacrificing partner. Premium for goodwill account debited to A's capital account to B's capital account. वापस से सेम चीज. 67,500, 40,500, 27,000. Write the narration. The amount of goodwill is credited to all partners' capital in sacrifice ratio. What is extra in the question? That goodwill is withdrawn by the old partners. So what will be the next entry? A's capital account debited, B's capital account debited to bank account. तो कितना गुडविल था? 67,500 and in their sacrificing ratio they withdrew and उन्होंने पूरा गुडविल विड्रॉ कर दिया. So A it is 40,500, B it is 27,000. Write down the narration. The amount of goodwill withdrawn by the old partners. Question में और क्या दिया है? They have asked us to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So write down calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So let the share of the firm be 1. So remaining share will be how much? 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. So what is A's new share? Old share कितना है? 3 by 5. How much is remaining? 3 by 4. So 9 by 20. B's new share is 2 by 5 into 3 by 4, that is 6 by 20. And C's share will be, it is 1 by 4, so 5 by 20. So what is the new profit sharing ratio? It is 9:6:5. So whenever in the question they have given that goodwill is brought in by cash, it is case number 2. And if they have said that the goodwill is withdrawn by the partner, we need to have the entry of withdrawing of goodwill. Take down illustration 24. A and B are partners in the firm sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. So they have given us old ratio 3:2. C is admitted as a partner. New partner कौन था? C. A and B surrender half of their respective share in favor of C. C आया तो A और B ने half share C को दे दिया. Find the new profit sharing ratio and also the sacrificing ratio. This is case number 1. Case B. C is to bring his share of goodwill in cash. The goodwill of the firm is 4 lakh. Pass the necessary journal entry. So first we need to find out new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So first we have A surrendered share. What was the old ratio? 3 by 5. How much did he surrender? Half. So 3 by 10 is the share surrendered by A. Next we have B's surrendered share. What is the ratio? 2 by 5. Half is surrendered. So 2 by 10. So what will be the sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio is 3 by 10 is to 2 by 10. That is 3:2. Next we need to find out the new ratio. What is the formula to find out new ratio? Old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So what is the old ratio of A? 3 by 5 minus sacrifice ratio is 3 by 10. So it is 6 minus 3 by 10. That is 3 by 10. Then we have B. 2 by 5 minus 2 by 10. 4 minus 2 by 10 we get 2 by 10. तो C का न्यू रेशियो क्या होगा? He got 3 by 10 from A, 2 by 10 from C. So it is 3 by 10 plus 2 by 10, that is 5 by 10. So what is the new profit sharing ratio? It is 3:2:5. Next B they have given, ceased to bring his share of goodwill in cash. The goodwill of the firm is 4 lakh. तो पूरे फर्म का गुडविल कितना है? गुडविल ऑफ द फर्म इट इज 4 लाख. सो उसमें से सी का कितना शेयर रहेगा? सी शेयर विल बी 4 लाख इंटू 5/10. Why 5/10? Because we calculated the new profit sharing ratio. It is 2 lakh. उसके बाद we need to write out the journal entry. Write down journal. Date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. What is the first entry? It is brought in cash. So bank account debited. Do we have capital here? No. So it will be 2 premium for goodwill account. 2 lakh debit, 2 lakh credit. Write down the narration. Premium for goodwill brought in cash. Next, this premium for goodwill is debited to sacrificing partners capital account. So to A's capital account, to B's capital account. Sacrifice ratio कितना है दोनों पार्टनर का? It is 3:2. So goodwill is 2 lakh. 2 lakh into 3/5 we get 1,20,000. 2 lakh into 2/5 we get 80,000. Write down the narration. Premium brought in by C, credited to old partners. Next, let's go on to illustration 35. George and Henry are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. So old ratio is given 3:2. They decided to admit David as a new partner and to share future profit and loss equally. David brings 50,000 as capital. Goodwill of the firm is 60,000. तो डेविड का कैपिटल कितना है? डेविड्स कैपिटल इज 50,000. गुडविल ऑफ द फर्म कितना है? 60,000. So they have given us 3 cases when no goodwill appears in the books. So when no goodwill is appearing in the book, it is case number 3. So write down A. When no goodwill appears in the books. So what will be the first entry? First entry is he brought capital. So bank account debited to David's capital account. How much? 50,000 debit, 50,000 credit. What is the next entry? No goodwill appears in the book. So it is David's current account debited to George's capital account to Henry's capital account. In the first entry, write the narration. The amount of capital brought in cash. So in case of second entry, what is the goodwill of the firm? It is 60,000. And what will be C's share? 1/3. Why 1/3? Because they have given us the new ratio, that is 1:1:1. So David's current account will be 60,000 into 1/3. Why 1/3? Because firm की goodwill दी है. They have not given David's share of goodwill. So his share of goodwill will be 60,000 into 1/3. And we need to find out the sacrificing ratio. How do we find the sacrifice ratio? After this, write down calculation of sacrifice ratio. What is the formula? Old ratio minus new ratio. We have George and Henry. What is the old ratio? 3/5 minus 1/3. 15 is the LCM. 9 minus 5, that is 4/15. And then we have 2/5 minus 1/3. LCM is 15. 6 minus 5, that is 1/15. So the sacrifice ratio is 4:1. So 20,000 into 4/5, 16,000. 20,000 into 1/5, we get 4,000. Write down the narration. David's share of goodwill credited to George and Henry in sacrificing ratio. Then they have given case B, when goodwill appears at 50,000. So what does it mean? कि goodwill जो है वो 50,000 में है in the books. It is already given in the books. So B they have given when goodwill is rupees 50,000. इसका मतलब क्या है? Goodwill firm में already है. So whenever the goodwill is in the firm, what is the journal entry? It is old partners capital account, George's capital account debited, Henry's capital account debited to goodwill account in the old ratio. Old ratio क्या है? Old ratio is 3:2. 50,000 is the goodwill. 50,000 into 3 by 5. George is 30,000 and Henry is 20,000. Write down the narration. Goodwill already appearing in the books. Written off in old ratio. Then we'll be writing the same two entries again. That is bank account to David's capital account. David's current account debited to George's capital account to Henry's capital account. Only this is a new entry. Why? Because जो हमारी old balance sheet थी उसमें goodwill has already been given as 50,000. So this is only one additional entry. आपको दो और entry लिखनी है which is in case number 1. So whenever you are writing or solving the problem, after this write down the next entry, that is bank to David's capital account, and next will be David's current account to George's capital account to Henry's capital account. Then we have case number C, when goodwill is at 1 lakh. So a balance sheet where goodwill is given at 1 lakh. So what is the entry again? George's capital account debited, Henry's capital account debited to goodwill account. What is goodwill? 1 lakh. Again 1 lakh into 3 by 5, that is 60,000 and 40,000. Write down the narration. Goodwill already appearing in the books, written off in old ratio. After this again you need to write two entries which we have written in case number 1. So whenever goodwill is already appearing in the existing balance sheet, this will be the journal entry. So clear? So that's all for today. Thank you.